Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a simple and refreshing Japanese style salad with a delicious ponzu dressing. This salad is perfect as a side dish for any Japanese meal or a light and healthy lunch option. Let's get started! Cut the Mizuna into 3 to 4 cm wide pieces. Soak the Mizuna in water for 10 minutes. While we are using Mizuna today, this salad is also delicious with lettuce, green leaf, or even daikon radish. In a separate bowl, combine the ponzu sauce, sesame oil, and sugar to make the dressing. Drain the Mizuna well and toss it with the dressing. Transfer the salad to a serving bowl and top with a generous amount of Katsuobushi just before serving. This Japanese-style salad has a light and refreshing taste that pairs perfectly with any Japanese meal. It's absolutely delicious. For an extra touch, try topping the salad with deep-fried tofu or small fish like shirasu. It's a tasty variation that I highly recommend it. And there you have it, a quick and easy Japanese-style salad with a flavorful ponzu dressing. This salad is a great way to add some freshness and balance to your meal. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy to follow Japanese recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!